Hello everyone. Welcome back to the third video of the Learn English Grammar series. To know more about this course, refer to the link in the description box down below, where I have provided all the links to my videos. In the last video, I gave you a brief introduction to the different parts of speech in English language. If you haven't checked that out yet, take out a minute and go watch it. The link is provided in the description box. In today's video, we learn more about nouns. This video comprises of two parts. This is the first part and the second will be published soon. And if you wish to skip around, I have provided timestamps in the description box and the pinned comment down below, so feel free to do so. Let's begin. Let us first understand what nouns are. I'm sure that all of us at some stage or the other have played the game name, place, animal, thing. Let me know in the comments if you have played this game before. Even if you haven't, that's not a problem. It's basically a game wherein each player is given a letter, and with that letter, he or she has to write the names of a person, a place, an animal, and a thing. Now, let's add to this list another column, emotion. So, we now have name, place, animal, thing, emotion. Say suppose I get the letter H. I could write name, Hazel, place, Hawaii, animal, hare, thing, house, emotion, happiness. Now these words that I have written above, what are they? Hazel, Hawaii, hare, house, happiness. They all are nouns. Hence, nouns are the words that we use to name people, places, animals, things, emotions, or ideas. Now you might say, everything in the world has a name. So are all of them nouns? Well, you are partially correct, as all such names are nouns. Let us now try to understand the different kinds of nouns. There are varied opinions regarding the classification of nouns. However, I am trying to simplify this for you all. Let us first discuss the two broad categories of nouns: proper nouns and common nouns. First, proper nouns. These are those words that are names of specific people or places, mountains or rivers, or other such things. Since they are the names of someone or something in particular, they always start with a capital letter. For example, Eliza is in London, sitting by the river Thames. She will soon go to the Big Ben. We have four proper nouns in this sentence. First, Eliza, which is the name of a person. Second, London, which is the name of a city. Third, Thames, which is the name of a river. And fourth, Big Ben, which is the name of an iconic tourist attraction and landmark. Likewise, names of mountains, subjects, months, etc. also start with a capital letter. For instance, Himalayas, Mount Everest, July, mathematics, and so on and so forth. Take care that when you sign off your mail, your name and those of others should always start in capital letters. For proper nouns, always start with capital letters. Second, common nouns. Common nouns are those words which refer to people and things in a general way. For instance, the girls walked into the classroom. Now, girls refers to girls in general and not to anyone specific. So, it is a common noun. Classroom is also a common noun. since it is a general term for a room that is used for educating and learning. Broadly speaking, the category of common nouns is a big umbrella that, according to some linguists, is divided into countable and uncountable nouns. Both countable and uncountable nouns are further divided into abstract nouns and concrete nouns each. Collective nouns are a further subdivision of concrete nouns. In the upcoming video, we shall be discussing all of these in detail. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to my channel. Also, while clicking subscribe, ring that notification bell right beside it so that you never miss an update and get notified whenever I post a new video. If you get stuck anywhere at any point of time, let me know in the comments. I would be happy to help. Questions and queries are most welcome, and your feedback is very important for me, so make sure to drop a comment. That's it for this video. Bye-bye.